Dust collectors are designed to capture dust. While they can and often are incorporated in the capture of dust and material, their design is dust collection. Material causes problems. On small collectors with bags, it increases the maintenance costs. Planers, shapers, and CNC machines produce high-density, high-volume material. This material fills up collection containers and needs to be removed continuously. That eats up time, productivity, and money. Introducing the Legend APC Inline Separator. The Legend APC Inline Separator removes the material and turns the baghouse into what it was meant to be, an efficient dust collector. By using a separator as a pre-filter, you can drop 90% of the coarse material out of the airstream before it even hits your dust collector. Our separator takes incoming air and slows it down until heavier particulate is forced to drop out of the airflow. The remaining 10% of fine material passes through the separator and onto the collector. If it takes you 30 minutes to empty your hoppers and you empty them 3 times a day, that amounts to 1.5 hours of downtime per day. For 251 workdays a year, that amounts to 15 lost days per year. Stop losing time and start gaining productivity with the Legend APC Inline Separator.